I'm Jackson Fike from the Rock Creek High School Vet Science Team. Today, we will discuss how to give an intravenous shot of Banamine to an 1,100-pound horse. And second, we will discuss how to remove a bandage from a dog's front leg. First, Banamine is used to reduce fever and lung inflammation. This 1,100-pound horse will receive 11 milliliters of Banamine, which will be given intravenously. The reason this shot is given intravenously is to give more immediate effects of the drug. First, we will see Cassandra demonstrating how to properly fill the syringe.
My name is Cassandra Ebert of the Rock Creek FFA chapter. First off, since horses are thin-skinned animals, to give them an intravenous shot, we have to use a 1-inch needle. Also, our syringe size is 30 cc's, which is enough to hold our 11 cc's and give us extra room. Also, our needle is an 18-gauge needle. First off, we made a label for our syringe, and it has the drug name, which is Banamine, the date, April 24th, 2015, the time, 10:15 a.m., the patient, which is the horse named Bullseye, and the vet initials, IB for Isaac Bronco, and the amount, which is 11 cc's. And then we're going to place this around the barrel of the syringe. Next, we're going to prepare a cotton ball with isopropyl alcohol. And then with the cotton ball, we are going to sterilize the top part of our vial of Banamine. When we take our Banamine, we are taking 11 cc's. Then we tap the syringe to get the bubbles to go to the top, and then we slightly push the barrel of the syringe up to release the air bubbles. And then we recap our needle.
Hello, my name is Isaac Bronco from the Rock Creek FFA chapter, and today I will be demonstrating how to properly give an intravenous shot to an 1,100-pound horse. First, we will determine if I have the correct size and syringe, correct gauge needle, and the correct amount of medicine. First, we'll look at the needle and see if it is an 18 gauge and 1 inch long, which is the proper length used for intravenous shots. Then we'll make sure I have the correct size and syringe, which is more than 11 milliliters, which is what we're giving today, but that is so we can make an easier depression. Then I will check to make sure I have 11 cc's, which I do. So first, when we give the injection, we will sterilize the area on the horse to be given, which is right below the jugular. And then I'll remove the cap from my needle, find the vein I want to inject to, put a slight amount of pressure on it so blood builds up in the vein. I'll puncture the pocket, and then I'll wait for blood to appear. And once I see blood appear, I will slowly depress the needle into the horse. Once we fully depress the medicine into the horse's neck, I will remove the needle slowly and rub the neck of the horse to make sure it is not bleeding and to calm the horse down. Today, the reason we injected Banamine into the horse was to reduce musculoskeletal inflammation and pain in the horse, and to also reduce visceral swelling in the horse. Next, Kale will be talking about how to remove the bandage from the front paw of a dog.
Hello, my name is Kale Hennickson, and today I will be properly showing you how to remove a bandage from our dog Fido here. So I will work from the proximal end to the distal end of the bandage. Now first, I will be placing the long, blunt end of the scissors slightly under the bandage and keeping them against the skin. I will keep the blade flat against the skin and the end slays slightly upward in contact with the bandage. The bandage layers have been placed between the scissor blades, and now I begin cutting proximally, keeping the layers away from the scissors with a firm motion. Now, we have moved towards the distal end of the bandage, and it has properly been cut. Now, I will notify our veterinarian, Dr. Brunko, that the bandage has been removed. Dr. Brunko, the bandage has been removed. Now, I will calmly place my scissors down away from the dog and so that it cannot be harmed, and slowly, keeping his paw flat, pull the bandage out towards the end of his paw very slowly. Now that the bandage has been removed, I will calmly tell Fido that he has done a great job. And he has done a great job today, so now I will clean up my work area. Thank you.
Thank you to Five Landed Cattle as well as Brush Creek Cattle Company for the use of their equipment as well as space. And we'd like to have a big thank you to David Holliday, our FFA advisor, for continued support through our FFA chapter, as well as helping us prepare for this Vet Science State CDE event.